Hello everyone, welcome back to Coupons. Today in this video I'm going to review the iPhone 17 Pro. In 17 series we have a three color variant. One is orange, silver, and one is blue. This is one of the most advanced smartphone, and Apple, after a long time, Apple has took so long time to design new design. Because after iPhone 16 was the failure. After failure, they took a little time to design awesome mobile, and they launched this iPhone 17. Previously we have only two series, iPhone 17 and 17 Pro. In this model they added like iPhone Air along with the iPhone 17 Air. The iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17, 17 Plus, and 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and iPhone 8. This iPhone 17 Pro Max are the game changer in the market right now. This mobile comes with a unibody design, and unibody from inside outside. The most powerful iPhone model ever made in the core, and it comes with a when you closer look, we have a backside, we have three ray camera, big zoom forward the camera, and with up to we have a 8x optical zoom and all 14 megapixel ray camera. And 17 Pro camera is like a longest iPhone telephoto ever, 200 millimeter focal length and 56% larger sensor. You can explore you can explore even wide range of creativity. And it can be in this camera we have a from macro camera 13 megapixel, 13 mm, 24 mm, 28 mm, 35 mm, 48 mm, 100 to 200 mm, up to 200. You can shot a photos like it having a 8 pro lens in your pocket, super high resolution 24 megapixel photo by default. And coming to one photo, like a 40 megapixel fusion main camera comes with 24x48 focal length, f 1.7 aperture, and 2.4 ultra quad pixel technology. And secondary camera 40 megapixel ultra wide camera, 13 mm focal length, comes with the f 2.2 aperture, and has 1.4 ultra megapixel quad pixel and 40 fusion telephoto camera, comes with a 100-200 focal length, 4x into 8x, f 2.8 aperture, 1.4 ultra megapixel ultra quad pixel technology. With this mobile we can take great picture. And coming to the front camera, we have a 18 megapixel center stage front camera is to frame changer. Without moving your phone, you can add friends join a shot. The field of view expands, so you can get more front selfies. It has a center stage, ultra stabilized video, and real capture, as well as center stage photos. You can take great photos with this mobile, even selfie camera also. And new dimension power, it comes with a advanced cooling technology. Apple design laser vapor chamber works with the aluminum unibody structure from the A19 Pro chipset, allow for even higher sustainable performance. This breakthrough in this thermal management in the most powerful iPhone ever created. The iPhone 19 Pro chipset comes with the highest iPhone performance, and it has graphics and speed. The GPU and CPU delivers up to 40% better sustained performance and neural accessibility. Each GPU core iPhone Pro is more powerful ever. The battery life all time. The new internal design created significant additional room for battery capacity, giving iPhone 17 Pro the best ever phone life, and up to more than 3 hours for full charge compared to iPhone Pro Max. And it has a coming to the battery up to 31 hours of video playback on iPhone 17 Pro, up to 37 hours video playback in 17 Pro Max, up to 50% charge in 20 minutes with high voltage power adapter. And this is the complete design, complete information about this mobile. It comes with the iOS 26 new look, even more magic. These are the most important things about this mobile. And it can coming to the forged aluminum unibody design, 14 more hours video playback in iPhone 17 Pro, up to 40% faster GPU performance. You can record up to video in a 4K 124 frames per second, as well as 18 megapixel front camera, Dolby Vision. These are the highlights of this mobile. If you want to own this mobile, check description link for along with the mobile. You can have some important tools, important things to this mobile. I hope you like this. So make sure subscribe to Coupon. Just thank you. Stay tuned.